Good morning, sir. My project title is Turbine Blade Analysis of Gas Turbine Engine. My team members are Preet Rani, Tamilarasam Loganathan. My project guide Varun M.E., Assistant Professor of Aeronautical Department, Vailtech University. Your aim of the project is to analyze the turbine blade with a different type of alloy. Analysis have been done using ANSYS CFS. Abstract. In the gas turbine engine, turbine and combustion chamber are the area having complicated problem. In turbine sections, the gas coming out of the combustion chamber is at high temperature and high velocity. It affects turbine blades heavily. So, ultimate aim of the project work is to analyze the gas turbine engine, turbine blades with different type of alloy, high strength against the temperature effect and other stress effect. Failure of turbine blade. Turbine blade are subject to very strenuous environment inside gas turbine. They face high temperature, high stress, potentially high vibration environment. All three of these factors can lead to blade failure, which can destroy the engine. Turbine blades are carefully designed to resist those conditions. Material selection: alloy 720 lithium, Inconel 600, Inconel 78, RR 1000, Demand 720. Materials and alloy values are there. Inconel 600, a general engineering nickel, chromium, ferrium alloy with good high temperature strength and oxidation resistance. Available as forgiving billet, bar, extrude, section, plate, tubing and wire. Properties: Young's modulus, Poisson ratio, density, thermal expansion values are there. Inconel 78, an age-hard enable nickel, ferrium, chromium alloy, possibly the best all super alloy created by special metal and certainly among the most versatile, combining high strength act up to 1300 Fahrenheit, 700 Celsius with corrosion resistance and excellent weld ability. Properties: Young's modulus, Poisson ratio, density, thermal expansion values are there. RR1000 is the early past production implementation at Rolls-Royce, represent high salts, lower refractory alloy. RR1000 provide increased strength at elevated temperature by utilizing a controlled forgiving and heat treat practice to produce finer grain post-heat treat microstructure. Properties: Young's modulus, Poisson ratio, density, thermal expansion values are there. Rudiment 720, a nickel-based alloy used in gas turbine blade and disc application, requiring high strength at elevated temperature and good corrosion resistance. Available as forgiving billet and bar. Properties. Young's modulus, Poisson ratio, density, thermal expansion values are there. Alloy 720 lithium, Young's modulus, Poisson ratio, density, thermal expansion values are there. FA work. First step preprocessor, second step solver, third step post processor. Preprocessor. First step create the model, second step apply boundary condition, third step apply mesh. Turbine blade model diagram. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze the result whatever record we need for the turbine blade analysis method. Alloy 720 lithium. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze equivalent stress result. Alloy 720 lithium. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze maximum shear stress result. Alloy 720 lithium. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze total deformation, which means elongation diagram. Inconel 600. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze equivalent stress result. Inconel 600. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze maximum shear stress result. Inconel 600. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze total deformation, which means elongation diagram. Inconel 718. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze equivalent stress result. Inconel 718. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze maximum shear stress result. Inconel 718. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze total deformation, which means elongation diagram. RR 1000. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze equivalent stress result. RR 1000. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze maximum shear stress result. RR 1000. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze total deformation, which means elongation diagram. Wiedemann 720. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze equivalent stress result. Wiedemann 720. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze maximum shear stress result. Wiedemann 720. Using ANSYS software, we can analyze total deformation, which means elongation diagram. Result and discussion. The alloy which led very low deformation, very low stress distribution in the blade region is suggested as the suitable alloy among these 5 alloy for turbine blade material selection. Result are there. Conclusion. For the tabulation given above, it can be seen clearly that alloy RR1000 have been better overall result comparing to others, and in Kona 600 the minimum elongation for any temperature, but other in other properties. So aircraft for short range purpose can choose Incona 600 as the turbine blade material. For long range, RR1000 is best choice. Literature review. Blade Pro and ANSYS based turbine blade analysis system. Turbine analysis of the gas turbine rotor blade by using ANSYS. Structural and thermal analysis of gas turbine blade using STEM. Reference. V. Ganeshan gas turbine, and some website are there. You search it. Thank you.